tried out making reels? Nobody tried out. Raima, did you try it out? All right, so I hope you can see this Canva screen in front of you. All right, so we made another reel with someone else. So let me show you that one also. This one. So let me show you how we made this reel. Okay, so this is a kind of reel that we made. Let me show you the preview of this reel, and we added some music also. All right, so this was another reel which we created, including images. This was also made on Canva only, including music. Okay, so if you want to take some music, you can just click on add music, or you can search from elements. Go to elements and search for music. Okay, so it will give you a lot of musics, and you can search, you can play them one by one, and then whichever you feel good, you can just click on it, and uh, it will set over here. Okay, if you want to add more than one music, that also you can do. For example, I want to add this music up to 3 frames, and after that I want to use another music. So let me see. All right, just give me a second. Just a minute. Just give me 1 second. I'm all right. So the screen is shared back again. There was some problem. Okay. I hope now that you are able to see the screen, right? So I hope the screen is now visible to you. All right. So up till now, we have created these kind of things. Okay. So let's see what we, okay. So I actually asked you that, I told you that in the next class we are going to explore some more features of Canva. Okay, some advanced features of Canva. So up till now you have already seen this create button, home button, projects button. So whatever designs you have made up till now, that will be visible in the projects. Okay, and if you want to see any kind of templates for any occasion, then you can explore it from here. Presentation templates or poster templates, resume templates, email templates, whatever, logo templates, okay, flyer template, Facebook mobile video, invitation templates, video templates, anything. So you can, in shortcut, you can take the templates from here also. Okay, more templates you have, see, these are inspired templates, so you can find out some more templates over here. Okay, like grand opening. Okay, like this. Then you have this brand. This brand means that this will contain all your brand identity. That means what is your brand theme colors. So you will not have to describe to Canva every time. It will pick automatically that, okay, this is your brand color, this is your brand logo, and this is your brand name. And automatically it will design whatever you want to design for your business. It will design automatically around that color theme, around that font style, and all those things. Okay, it will synchronize everything. Okay, now you have one more very exciting feature. This is called as Canva AI. Okay, let's click on it. Okay, so this is Canva AI. Canva AI means that if you want to make any video, okay, and you don't have any video, or you don't have any images, you don't have any voiceover, you don't have any audio, nothing you have, but still you want to make an ad. Just like, see, I made this ad. See, I made this ad. I think you must have seen it many times. We have used this ad in the Facebook ad making also. Okay. So this is your ad. This ad has been made via this thing, um, Canva AI only. How do we make this? You just have to describe your basic things, that okay, I am into a business of soap making, or whatever business you are into. Then you have to describe it, that I want to make an ad. Okay. And give me a voiceover also, so it will give you everything. Just describe it what you want. The more you describe, the better it will give you the ad. Okay. So, but the one bad thing about it is that you only have 4 video credits. Okay, you have, see here, it is already given that you have created 4 videos so far this month. Your plan allows you to create 5 each calendar month. So in 1 month, you can create a maximum of 5 videos. Okay. So you have to be very careful while creating the video. You have to give it exactly that prompt, what you want your product, final advertisement to look like. Okay. So this way you can make your advertisement, just like you see advertisement in TV. See, this way only you see advertisement on TV. So I had only this product image with me, nothing else. I had only this image with me, and with this particular image only, I created this beautiful ad just by giving it instructions, prompts, that I want this, I want this, I want this in my ad, I want to show this in my ad, and so on. Okay. So you can not only create an advertisement for your business, but also you can create anything, any video, any images you can create from this uh, this Canva AI. Okay. Then further we have more means more apps. You also have more apps. Let me take you to this. So more apps, let's click on more apps. Okay. Mm, mm, all right. So these are various types of apps that you have. Okay. Frame maker. So if you want to make any different kind of frames, some basic frames are already given in the elements, right? We picked it up. But if you want some different kind of frames, then you can use this app. Okay. You can click on frame maker. Okay. Use in a new design or use in an existing design, whatever. So let me say that I want to use it in a new design. Okay. So what kind of design you want to make? I want to make a Instagram post. Okay. Like that, suppose. And for now, I am taking some image of what kind of frame do you want? Okay. First of all, create. So what kind of frame do you want? You can adjust the frame according to yourself. Okay. For example, I am taking, see, this kind of frame also you can take. This is also a frame. Okay. For example, first of all, let me take an image of some person. Let me go back to photos. Okay, and here I'm searching for image close up of a girl. Okay, like this. So for example, we can take any image. Okay, we can take any image. So we can choose from the top ones. Okay, this is free one. So let's take this one. Okay, let's spread it throughout the page from top to bottom. Increase the size, and it has been fitted into the page like this. Okay, like this. And now we are going to use a frame. Let's see how this frame works. Where is the frame? Okay, I can't see it. Okay. Click on apps, and then you have several apps. Okay, so what apps you want? Your apps. Your apps means the apps you have already used some or the other times. Okay, so I am taking uh, this one, and let me see how it works. Actually, I haven't used this app at all. Maybe this is a new addition in Canva, so I haven't used it. So this will be the first time that I'm using it. uh, Let me see how much space we want, and let's add to design. Let me see how it comes out to. Acha, okay, fine. So this will be your frame. Okay, now what can I do? I can just let me decrease the image size, and now I'll drag the image into this hello, so the image will spread in the hello frame. Okay, let's see how does it looks like. So let's see, like this. Okay, see, you must have seen some text which looks like this. Okay, and if you want to write something else, you can also write baby girl. Okay, suppose this is a baby girl, and I want GIRL, girl. Okay, so this is a baby girl. So I am deattaching the image first of all. So I have deattached the image. I am deleting this for now, and I am taking this baby girl, add to design. Okay, this I have taken it like this. Got it? Increase the font size to the desired extent, set it to the center, and now just drag it into this. Now your image will set into your text. Okay, this is also basically known as masking. In some softwares this feature is known as masking. Okay, if you think that you need to adjust something, you can always do that. Click on it. If you think that I want to show the eyes of the baby girl, then you can do it like this. Let's see. See, the eyes are coming here. If you need some more changes, you can drag it here and there and make the desired changes of your choice. Okay, like this. So like this. But for now I am undoing it. Okay, now instead of this baby girl, I am now taking some other word like lion. Okay, lion. And Accordingly, I'll find out some images of lion. So here only I have to select an image of lion. Go back to elements, okay, photos. You can see photos and uh, click on lion like this. Okay, so just take it like this. Let's take another image also. Let's see which one is looking better. This one, roaring image. Okay, let me delete it. Okay, undo it and add another page. Okay, I'm dragging these two images to the next page. Okay, so first of all, let's try out on this image. Okay, so where were we? Go down to your frames. Okay, where are frames? Just keep scrolling down and you will find it somewhere. Frame maker. Okay, click on it and we have set lion. Okay, let me make it all capitals. Lion, lion. Okay, like this. Font, if you want to change the font, you can change the font also. If you think that the font is looking fine, you can undo it. Okay, line is looking fine. And now you have to, if you think you need to give a gap between lion, you can also give a gap like this and add to design. So here is lion, add to design. Okay, just drag it to make it bigger. Okay, like this. And now just drag this image onto your lion and it will fit automatically. See, your lion has the image of lion has attached onto your text. Now if you want to adjust it, you can simply adjust it so that the face of lion appears in the center of O. Okay, you can drag it here and there slightly like this. Okay, like this. Okay, fine. Now see, your lion has been set into the text. Okay, but one thing which is not good looking good is that this line, because it is by default in the text. So let's change the text and see some other text. So let's say display text. Let's choose this one. I think in all the fonts it will be same. This one will be fine. So deattach the image from here, delete this frame, and this is a new frame. Okay, we have created. Let's decrease the size, decrease the letter spacing like this and add to the design. So here there is a new frame created. Okay, increase the size of the frame like this. And now what you can do, just drag your image onto your frame and it will fit automatically. When you see lines like this, cross lines, that means your image has been set properly. And if you still want to adjust it your way, you can always adjust it like this. Okay, I think this is not added properly. So, okay, fine. Okay, this way. If you think you want to adjust it, you can adjust it your own way. Okay, so this is how the word uh, word frame works. I hope you have got an idea of how this is working. Okay, similarly, let's change the image of this lion to this roaring lion. So again, deattach the image. Okay. And let's move this roaring tiger, the lion, into this. Okay. So this frame is not at all looking nice. So we have to change it back to the original one. So let's find out the original frame, which was some Greek something, GR. What was that font? Let's remove everything. There are too many fonts over here. So I think I have to take it again. Okay, let's take any font. Don't waste time in taking these fonts. So the font should be such that your text, your image should appear in the text. Okay, let's take this one. Okay, and let's increase the letter spacing slightly. Okay, give it like this. Make it this way. Delete this one. Bring this one. Increase the size. Okay, and then adjust your image onto this. Okay, let me adjust a little bit like this. Okay, so I hope this is looking fine. Or if you want, you can also duplicate it, and then you can adjust another image. So first of all, deattach the image. Now this image has been deattached, and now insert this image onto this frame like this. Okay, so you can see both frames are same, but the image inside them is different. Okay, so you can see, you must have seen this kind of frames or logos, or maybe this kind of attachments in National Geographic channel, or maybe what is that channel called, BBC, or maybe Planet Earth, some kind of these kind of channels, Animal Planet sort of channels are there, which shows images like this. So overall, you must have got an idea of what I am trying to tell you. Okay, so let's give it a thumbs up, because this is a good app. Okay, then you also have AI logo generator. Some people have problems in designing a logo. Okay, so you don't now, with the help of AI is, what is AI? AI is the tool that you can use, artificial intelligence. AI means artificial intelligence, which you can which you can use in order to design anything within fraction of seconds. Okay, just describe what you want and it will give you. Okay, for example, I have a, a cafe where I serve variety of coffee. Okay, variety of coffee. Make a logo that uh, first of all, let me give it my business name. I have given it, have a cafe and I serve various variety of coffee. Okay, my business name is my business name is cafe coffee r, suppose like this. Okay, cafe coffee r, this type of r we are taking. Just it is just a it is just a sample. Okay, make a logo that displays a cup of coffee with a cream on top. Okay, and that goes with my business. Okay, something like that. I have given it an instruction. So I have given it an instruction that I have a cafe where I serve variety of coffee. uh, my business name is cafe coffee r. Okay, make a logo that displays a cup of coffee with a cream on the top and that goes with my business. Okay, so I am giving it instruction, inspire me. What is this? Okay, let me, I think I have to write it again. Just where I serve a variety coffee to my customers. Okay, my business name, my business name is cafe coffee with me. Okay, something like this. We have kept the name like this, cafe coffee with me. Okay, design a logo with which displays, which has a cup of coffee with some cream on the top. Okay, on the top. The logo, the logo should go with my business and it should be of brown color. Brown color. BROWN. Brown color. Okay, so I am just taking this kind of uh, color. Okay, So I'm taking this color and just insert, enter it, describe the logo. Then you have taken this and then go down. Okay. And company name, what was the name that we kept? Cafe Coffee with Me. Okay. Cafe Coffee with Me. Generation count, that means how many logos do you want to generate? I want to generate only one logo. Okay. So I have described something about what I want in my logo and what should be the color of the logo and what should be the style of my logo. So you can see more styles if you want. Okay. But I like this style, so I'm choosing this style. Okay. And then you just click on generate. So it will generate a logo for you in few minutes. All right. Okay. So we don't have enough credits. That means we should be having a pro version in order to, and also i- in addition with the pro version, we should also be having some credits. My credits are over, so that is why I can't generate anything more than this. Okay. So you can try out. If you have purchased a pro version, then you can try this out with your logo. Okay. So this is logo designing. You can also create emojis. Okay. You can choose any kind of emojis from here. Okay. Like this. Then image blending. So you can blend two images. Let me show you how we can blend images. Actually, all these features are pro features. Okay. So these can't be used because my credits are already over. Blend images. Blend images means you can mix up two images. So for example, uh, use, so let's choose a file from our computer, and mm, which one should I choose? Okay, let's take this one only. This one. Okay. Use the selected image and use the selected image, and then you have to choose blend multiply if you want to mix up two images. Okay. Let's upload one more image. So let's take this one. Okay. Okay. So we have two images. Okay. Stall, design sample, and something like this. Okay. So whatever was there with me, I have inserted. Now what is the task? Our task is to blend it. Blend means mixing the two images. So let me take to the design and see what it has done to the image. It has mixed up. It has mixed up. Blending means mixing up the two images so as to make it one. Let me delete this one also, and let me take this one to the next page. So see, this is how the image has been blended. If I choose normal blending, so what it is going to do, you can see what it is going to do. Okay, like this. So if you want to blend it like this, okay, this way, you can do it this way. Okay, like this, and add to design. Okay, so now I'm removing the previous image, or let's take this one to another page so as to tell you how it works. So I'm taking it to the next page. Okay, I am increasing the size so as to see how it has blended, right? See, this is how it has blended. The two images have blended with each other. Okay, half of this image and half of this image, just like you see before and after. Okay, just like suppose my complexion is dark, okay, and I used some fairness cream, and after using that fairness cream I got fair. Okay, my complexion improved. So this is what is before and after type of things. This kind of blending is used in case of when you are showing before and after, okay, effects. So like this. Okay, so you can choose how you want to show, and it will be done. And there will be a preview also available, you can use that. Okay, I'm deleting it. Okay, so this was blend image, and now you also have a mock-up. Mock-up means if you want to show anything that you have designed on, suppose I have designed a t-shirt, okay, and I want to really know how it will look like when someone wears that t-shirt. Okay, for example, let's take the same design that we have designed over here. Let me delete it. And I want to see that how it will look like on a t-shirt. So let's take the design. Let's take this t-shirt design. Okay, increase the size. Okay, so this is a person wearing a t-shirt, and I want to see that how my design will look like on this t-shirt. So just bring it to this frame. This is actually a frame, and now you can fit it over here. Okay, like this. So you can, it usually gets fitted up in this. Okay, so now you can or let me take another design, this one. Let's take this one. Okay, let's take it. If you're not able to see the layers, then go to show all layers, and this is your, here is your lion, and just drag and drop it over here. Okay, bring it to front. It should fit into the frame. I don't know what is happening. Acha, okay. I think it is already into the frame. That is why it is not fitting. Let me take another image without any frame. Okay, anything that we have designed. Okay, let's see. Let's say there is some image, or let's take some image, some photos. Okay, okay, this photo I have taken, and I want to know how it will look like on a t-shirt. Okay, so just drag it And see, this is how it will look if it is printed on the t-shirt. Okay, why this word is not appearing? Because it is already into a frame. Okay, so this is how it will look like on a t-shirt if it is printed. If this image or if this design is printed on a t-shirt, this is how it is going to look. Got it? So this is what is known as these are known as mock-ups. Okay, mock-ups are used to test how the final product will look like. Okay, if I have designed something for a t-shirt or a cap, then how will it look like on a cap? Okay, so for example, let me change some other mock-up. Let's find out mock-ups. So click on mock-ups, and let's find out some, say, mug. Okay, let's take a mug. Okay, I'm taking a mug over here. uh, Mug. Okay, and I want to print my business logo on this mug. So how will it look like? I want to know that. Okay, so just go to wherever your logo is lying. Let me see, where is my logo? So my business logo is somewhere in the uploads. Okay, click on uploads, and where is my business logo? Let me find out. My business logo is is somewhere here. Let's see, let's suppose this is our business logo, suppose. So just click on it and see, just decrease the size if you want, and place it inside it. And in a few seconds, yes, this is how your logo will look like if when it is printed on the mug. Got it? Similarly, let's try out with some other with some other with some other image. Okay, with some other logo. Let's try out some other logo. So let's say this one. Okay, so if I put this logo inside this frame, so see how it will look like. See? Okay, so when printed it will look like this. Got it? But at the same time, if I am inserting, or if I'm trying to insert this into this onto this, it is not it is not mocking up. The reason is that because it is already inside a frame. Okay, and this is also a frame, so both frame cannot be inserted on a frame. If I if i unlock it or deattach the image, and now I try to insert or put this image onto the mug, then it will set. See how? See, this is how it will look like on a mug when printed on a mug. Okay, okay. So these are the things what I have told you, okay, about the apps. And also there are audios that you can use. Okay, I have already told you about the audios, and there are still more tools. Tools means that if you want to hand draw something, you can hand draw something. Or if you want to indicate something that this handle is not looking nice, so just like you do in your phone, things like that you can do. Okay, if you want to make some shapes, you can make a shape also. Okay, like this. You can make lines, you can add sticky notes to it. Like this, you can add sticky notes. Okay, and then you can write text, then you can add a table also. Got it? So these are the things what you can do with tools. I hope you have got an idea about it. So now I have told you everything about Canva, but it is all of no use until and unless you practice it on your own. Okay? The more you practice, the more you will improve. And if you really want to improve, you have to practice it. There is no second option and there is no shortcut to it. Okay? So this is it for today's class. We have completed with our Canva. I am leaving it to you. If you try out things, it will be better for you. Okay, you will gain more insights into it, and you can always ask me if you face any problems. All right, so thank you for now, and see you in the next class. If you have any questions, you can ask. We still have 5 minutes. In case you have anything to ask, you can ask me. Instead of emojis, I would highly appreciate you if you can unmute yourself and you can ask questions. Okay, so I think you don't have to ask anything, or you don't want to ask anything. Then that's perfectly fine.